Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute. May the 14th, 2026. KSE 100 slipped again today, this time losing the 20-day exponential moving average as well. Yet very light volume and support above the 50-day average suggest weakness remains confined for now. Let's take a look at the chart. All right, another 952.30 point drop for the day, down 0.57%. Important चीज क्या है कि कल 10-day exponential moving average को नीचे की तरफ तोड़ा था प्राइस ने, आज 20-day EMA को भी तोड़ दिया है. बट गुड थिंग है कि 50-day exponential moving average पे सपोर्ट मिली है 166008.56 पे इज नाउ द न्यू सपोर्ट. अदर देन दैट मार्केट का नैरेटिव क्या है? जो हमें मोमेंटम वीकनेस नजर आ रही थी पिछले कुछ दिनों से, पूरे हफ्ते से, वो अब लैक ऑफ पार्टिसिपेशन में आ चुकी है. Most people are staying away from the market because of the uncertainty and volatility in the market. Confirmed by volume well below average. RSI 4957 neutral से भी कम, अपने average से भी कम, confirming short-term weakness. MACD line below signal line, histogram negative, confirming short-term momentum weakness. ADX 1276. There is absolutely no trend in the market. तो हमारा verdict for the day is very clear. TAFE has weakened in the short term क्योंकि ये दो exponential moving averages break हुई हैं, but has not broken down structurally because 50-day EMA से अभी भी price को support मिल रही है. As long as price hold above this 166,000 level, the broader setup remains intact. लेकिन failure to reclaim the 20-day exponential moving average 167,484 keeps the market vulnerable to further consolidation, जैसा कि पिछले कुछ दिनों से हो रहा है.